Hello everyone, this is Arif from Tech with King, and in this video I'm going to review this cheapest gaming keyboard. So let's get started. So here is the keyboard. I have bought this keyboard from the online. It cost me around 300 rupees. Yes, only in 300 rupees we get this gaming keyboard. It's not a really gaming keyboard, but it's look like the gaming keyboard. You can check the design of the keyboard. So I have bought this keyboard 2 months ago. I had checked the durability, compatibility and the design. Now I think it's the best time to make the review of this keyboard. So this is a USB keyboard and you can check the wire quality and thickness of this wire. This is best quality wire and the USB. So let's talk about the keys of the keyboard. You can see beside there are keys on the keyboard. These all keys are working. I have checked. You can see this is rubber keys. It's working perfect. And here is the keyboard keys. You can hear the sound of the keys. I think it is good quality. And here is the lights of number lock, caps lock, score lock. Some extra keys given here and here. It's look like a gaming keyboard. It is the best keyboard for the poor gamers. If you want to buy this keyboard, the link in the description, you can check out there and buy it from there. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question, please comment down.